Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Jong, happy birthday anak. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana'y marami ka pang birthday na darating at bigyan ka ng Panginoon ng ng kalusugan sa iyong pangatawan. Nang matupad mo ang iyong pangarap at hagilikain sa buhay. Happy birthday uli anak. Ingat.
Oh, tapos na.
O tatay naman.
Love you.
I love you. Andito lang kami.
Jong, happy birthday. Sana maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa magandang kalusugan mo.
Ako naman. Jong, happy birthday.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday and happy Father's Day. First of all, I want to thank God for giving you another year of life. I am grateful that He continues to bless you with strength, good health, and guidance every day. I also want to thank you, Dad, even though you are far away from me and we have been never together in person. You make me feel that you are there for me always. Your love, support, and care reach me no matter how many miles separate us. Thank you for all sacrifices and work for us. Thank you for introducing God to me and helping me build my faith. This is one of the greatest gifts you have ever given to me. I pray that God will continue to bless you, protect you, and fill your life with happiness and peace. I hope that one day we can spend more time together and build or make many wonderful memories together. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday and happy Father's Day ulit.
Hello po, isang maganda at mapagpalang araw po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at ka-churchmate ng aking magulang. Hi Mami, at syempre happy birthday Daddy. Una-una sa lahat ay gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa kalakasan, biyaya at pag-iingat niya sa inyo dyan sa ibang bansa. Na siya patuloy na nag-iingat at gagabay sa inyo. And syempre gusto ko din magpasalamat sa Panginoon dahil biniyayaan niya ako ng magulang na katulad ninyo na laging nang suporta sa mga gusto at mga pangarap namin sa buhay. Sabi ko nga ay lagi kong pinagmamalaki sa iba na sabi ko kahit nasa ibang bansa yung mga magulang ko ay hindi ko naramdaman o hindi ko naranasan na maramdaman na wala kayo sa tabi ko kasi nga kahit sa malayo kayo Daddy ay lagi pa rin kayong nakasuportan o lagi pa rin namin nararamdaman na nasa tabi namin kayo. Kaya gusto ko sa nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon dahil kahit nasa malayo kayo ay hindi nyo pinaramdam na wala kayo sa tabi namin. Kaya sobrang grateful ako na biniyayaan niya ako ng magulang na katulad ninyo. And Daddy, I wish ko na bigyan ka pa po ni God ng maraming pang kaarawan para magkasama-sama pa tayo. At syempre, malakas na pangangatawan at kalusugan. Daddy, gusto ko lang mangako na babawi ako sa inyo. Nasusuklian ko lahat ng hirap at sakripisyo nyo para sa amin. Hindi dahil yun ang nararapat, kundi yun ang deserve nyo. Kaya Daddy, ay lagi yung tatandaan na mahal namin kayo at lagi kayong mag-iingat dahil darating ang panahon na kami naman yung gagawa ng paraan para mapasaya kayo at maibigay kung ano mga deserve nyo kung gusto nyo. Kaya Daddy, lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan ni Mami dahil mahal na mahal namin kayo. Tandaan nyo Daddy, anumang pagsubok o problema na ating tatahakin ay kaya-kaya natin lampasan, lalo na ay tayo, magkakasama tayo. Mahal na mahal ka po namin, Daddy. At thank you lagi sa pagpapaalala sa amin na kahit nasa malayo kayo ay lagi pa rin kayo sa tabi namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Daddy. Happy birthday po ulit. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan ni Mami. I love you so much po. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, Daddy. It's been 21 years since I last saw you. 1 year old pa lang po ako noon. So, yet today, I still want to greet you on your special day. Even though time and distance have separated us, a part of me still remember that you are my father. So much has happened in my life during these 21 years. There were moments when I wish you were there to witness them, to guide me or simply to share them with me. Despite everything, I hope life has been kind to you and that you are healthy, safe, and happy. On your birthday, I pray that God blesses you with peace, good health, and many more years to celebrate your birthday. So, no matter where life has taken us, I sincerely wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Daddy. May your day be filled with joy and blessings.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday and happy Father's Day. First of all, I want to thank God for giving me a father like you, for always guiding you, protect you, and giving the blessings that you deserve. Also kay Mami po. I also want to thank you for all the sacrifices, for all the support, and always believing in us and everything that we do. And also, thank you din po for always reminding us na we don't need to worry anything and we don't need to stress ourselves sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa namin because God is with us and God has a plan in our life. And yun po talaga yung pinanghawakan ko every time na nahihirapan ako, every time na I can't handle things alone. I know na God is with me and I also know na I have a parents like you and Mommy na palaging naniniwala at palaging nagsusupport sa lahat ng gusto ko. So today, Daddy, I also pray to God and I also hope na i-celebrate niyo po yung birthday niyo ng filled with love, joy, and happiness. Happy memories with the people surrounds you po. And I also hope na this Father's Day is ma-feel po ito and ma-feel nyo kung gaano kayo kahalagang tatay sa aming magkakapatid, kung gaano kayong nagsisilbing tatay sa inyong church, and kung gaano karaming tao pa ang na-inspire at natutulungan nyo rin na mag-lead back again kay God. So, Daddy, again, happy birthday and happy Father's Day. And to all the church mate po ni Daddy na nakikinig ngayon, happy Father's Day po. Sa lahat po ng mga nanay na tumatayong father, happy Father's Day din po ulit. So, yun po. I pray to God na ma-enjoy niyo po ang birthday niyo ngayon. Ganun na rin po ang Father's Day. Again, Daddy, happy birthday and happy Father's Day. I love you so much. God bless you always. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Pastor John from RCCI family.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pastor John. Ulit. Balay mo. Alam mo, nakakasampung tayo.